This is another look at the AirBus H-135. Kennedy Space Center now has two of these helicopters, and they're coming in to go over this LZ right here next to the occupational health clinic, which is just a mini like hospital. Just give you guys a view. This is a NASA helicopter. That's the LZ right over there with those yellow lights. That's where they would have landed if they were doing touch and goes. This is a flyby. This is Mitch Bromwell at Kennedy Space Center, 26 October 2022. God bless you all, and God bless America.